Hi everyone. This is an overview of the diegetic debris menu that I built in Unreal Engine. And as usual, all the files and the project is going to be for free in my Patreon. I will leave the link in the description. So I'm just going to give you a little tour of what's this and a couple of things that we can do with this project. So let me play. So this is the first screen, and when you press any key, it builds the menu. So you can have your start option, load, settings, and quit. And obviously the animation here is a little bit slow, and this is intended just because this is a showcase. This is not for production. And so yeah, if you would be using this for a game, obviously you want the menu to build and destroy faster. So one of the things that I want to show is I added two different camera modes. So if you come here to the menu manager, you're gonna see we have some options here, but basically the only one that you are interested on it's the camera mode. You can change it to one. There are only two options right now. So, and if we play again, it's the same menu but using a more cinematic point of view. And all of this destruction is baked, so that's why I can destroy it and come back. So it's even if you see here the frames kind of dropping a little bit, it's very efficient. I mean, I'm recording this on a laptop. I'm in 4K, and yeah, I'm running Unreal Engine and OBS at the same time. So we are dropping some frames, but once the particles are cached, it's more performant. So it's not due to the destruction. It's more due to the Niagara system that it's spawning. Okay, so what's other things that we can do here? So this is the menu that I built, but the for me the most interesting part, besides the destruction and rebuild, is that I built this in a way where this is flexible. I mean, you can create your own menu or your own options. For example, instead of a start, you want to put, I don't know, new, I don't know if, yeah, new game. Let's do new. So and then, yeah, if we play again, there is our new option. So yeah, this is probably the most interesting thing. It's like obviously you can adapt that to your needs. So if you want to use it, yeah, this project is for free and there is no any commercial licensing or anything. You can just use it as you want. And what other things we can show that I didn't show before? Probably that's yeah. I mean, other features that I added on the 3D lettering was the kerning system or the letter spacing. So, for example, here on new, we can change the space between the letters. You can have it like that. You can change, maybe for you it's easier to work with another alignment. So yeah, you have here the alignment for the words. Um, what else? Probably I'm gonna put back that to start, and that was 5. Yeah, okay. So I think basically, yeah, this is all. Everything it's I try to have it pretty well organized. So you can see here on the Diegetic menu, we have a couple of scenes. The cows, baker, you don't need that. I use this scene to bake all the destruction of each letter. We have the blueprints. I try to have everything kind of organized and commented. So, for example, if we go to this one that is the most complex, the word builder. So, yeah, I'm showing now one that it's not too much commented, but this is, I mean, pretty self-explanatory. But here, let me show to the create word. So, for example, here this is a little more complex. So we have, yeah, the saving data here, the word width. We have some adjustments for the letter spacing, the letter width again. Well, that was the word width. That's the letter width, and yeah, the letter location, etc. So I try to keep my blueprints kind of clean and easy to understand. If something it's not commented, it's because probably it's pretty self-explanatory here. Animate word. So basically, yeah, we are animating each letter one by one, and then destroying or rebuilding depending on the state of the word. What else? Here we have all the blueprints for all the letters and numbers. And I think the only other thing that maybe it's interesting to take a look, it's here it's all the geometry collections and all the bake simulation. And lastly, maybe the meshes. We have all the meshes, textures, materials, etc., etc. So yeah, and yeah, the sound and yeah, some buttons here. So yeah, that's it. I know this is a very specific case, but I wanted to show something interesting to do with chaos destruction, that it's not just destroying a building or something. And it was very interesting to work baking the simulation and being able to play it and control it frame by frame. So feel I hope you think that that can be interesting for some users. And yeah, feel free to download it and use it as you want. And hopefully you can learn something too. So yeah, that's it. Have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye bye.